Hello, so what is up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make any GIF transparent, their background transparent or something, any other part. If you want to make your image transparent, you can go to the link which is in the top right section or in the description for making image transparent. This video is for only making GIF transparent. So as you know, most of the people who want to make their GIF transparent or some image transparent don't want to go into that Photoshop stuff or Adobe product stuff because they don't have much knowledge also, and they don't have much time or something like that, because that products are very quite expensive also and pretty much time heavy for you to download that and do that stuff. So here I am giving 3 methods, and every method doesn't require any software like Photoshop or something Adobe softwares. Every method is from online websites only. So let's start.
You are watching Tech Bang.
So the first method is from the easygif.com. I have given the link in the description. You can go and check it out easily. So the first one is easygif.com. So in this one, first we will go to effects, and then we will choose file, and then after that when you choose the file, you can see that supported image types are GIF, JPG, PNG and the other ones also. So if you want to make a normal image transparent also, you can go here. So after uploading, it will show you a preview of your image or GIF which you have uploaded. After that, you have to go to that option, replace color with a transparency. So if you know the background color or the hexacode of your background, like if it is plain white, then FFFFF. If it is black, then 0000. Then you can directly put that hexacode here, or you can select black and white. But here in my image it's different, so I'm using color picker here. So I have using this just color picker. You can use any color picker you want. So after that, you can select this color and put it in this. After putting your hexacode here, you can apply the selected. But so problem with the easygif is sometimes it doesn't pick the color and don't remove that background image, as you can see. But I tried a different color to remove, just like this yellow color in the GIF. So when I use the yellow color of this GIF and it apply, it removes that background of that body part, but somehow it's not working with that background color. So if easygif method is not working for you, then you can try this one also. This website almost works for me every time, so I mainly use this website only, onlineimageeditor.com. I will link that website link in the description. Once you upload the image, you will get this simple editor page here. So in this, we have to go to advanced mode and then click to transparency. In this one, you can select first factor also, that how similar that color is with the other one and how much you want to remove of that. I will suggest you to keep it at the default one only. If it is not working for the default one, you can use the different options also. Higher the value, the more color will be going out of your picture. What you have to do here is, you can simply select the background color, and here I am selecting that background. So after some time, it will, here you can see it has removed that background pretty much nicely, which was having problem in that easygif.com. So here is the image, and now if you have to download this, just click save button and save image to local. It will save that image in your local. As you can see, it's removed from that GIF. Because it gives me option of selecting background on the screen only, I don't have to use any other color picker, or I don't have to know that hexacode of that background. So that's pretty good about online image editor. And the last method is Lunapic, and in this one the process is pretty much same, and I will give that link in the description of this website also. So if that second method doesn't work for you, then you can try this one. So as you can see, here is the editor page of Lunapic. So what we have to do is just click transparent in this one. It will figure it out which is the background and which one is the foreground, and it will remove the background for you by itself. But here if you want to make some customization, you can make, and you can select some different area also. As you can see, background is removed, but if you want to remove this body color also in this one, so you can start again to make another area transparent also. So if you want to make multiple things transparent, multiple colors transparent, you can click this one, and then you can click on some other color also, and it will remove that color also. So you can see, as you can see, yellow and blue both are removed from the background quite easily. And now you can go to file, save image, and it will save as GIF, and it will save that image for you quite easily. As you can see, the both body and the background color is removed. So here are the three methods. So which one feels better for you, you can use that one, and it doesn't require any Photoshop stuff or the professional stuff. So that's it guys, that's it for the video. So if this video helped you in some or the other way, you can like this video, and you can subscribe to my channel for more such how-tos or tech videos which I make and make your life little bit easy. Thank you.